Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a really exciting piece of tech, the Zowietek 4K POV NDI HX3 with C and CS mount camera. If you're a content creator, live streamer, or professional videographer looking for a high-quality, versatile camera that won't break the bank, you're in the right place. We're going to talk about the specs, features, and even test it in action so you can decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Let's get into it. First off, let's break down the specs. The Zowietek 4K POV camera is packed with professional features, especially considering its price point. So what are we looking at here? The streaming video camera is Zowietek's latest 4K Ultra HD model, designed for efficient and versatile live video production. It supports NDI HX3, SDI, HDMI, and offers intuitive controls, making it a cost-effective, professional-grade solution for upgrading from 1080p to 4K. Equipped with Sony's 1/2.3 Zoll Ultra HD 4K XMOR-R CMOS sensor, the Zowietek POV produces crisp, color-accurate video with enhanced low-light performance. It delivers stunning visuals in all shooting conditions. The camera outputs 4K video via HDMI, 3G SDI, and NDI simultaneously with embedded audio. The C and CS mount model, which we got for review for this video from Zowietek for free, is incredibly useful for fixed point-of-view operations, allowing you to cover large areas without losing image quality. As an IP-based camera with NDI HX3 support, it ensures high-quality, low-latency video streaming, easily integrating with LAN networks and streaming platforms like OBS, vMix, Zoom, Teams, Skype, YouTube, and Facebook. The Zowietek 4K POV also features an advanced web-based control interface, Zowietek, which includes live preview, streaming shortcuts, recording, OSD, NDI, and decoding options. Users can manage all major functions, image settings, presets, streaming, recording, preview, and many more, seamlessly from an iPad, Android tablet, smartphone, or PC. Two built-in front tally lights are included for multi-camera productions, letting on-screen talent clearly identify the active camera. The tally status is instantly visible on any connected phone, PC, or tablet, with coverage exceeding 360 degrees. An internal microphone is also integrated for added audio capture. The camera is delivered with a 7.2mm m12 interchangeable lens. A 5 to 50mm f2.8 CS mount lens, which is highly recommended by me, is available from Zowietek as an option. Using the CS mount lens is a 100% picture quality gain over the M12 lens and gives you a whole lot more flexibility on top. Here's a direct comparison between the default M12 and the optional C-mount 5 to 50mm lens. Please write down in the comments what you think, how much of a difference is there, and if it is worth to spend some extra bucks for the option. A RESTful API supports custom automation and integration across Zowietek's ecosystem, which includes cameras, encoders, decoders, and future cloud solutions. A device discovery feature shows all compatible devices with names and IPs at a glance. The Zowietek 4K POV can be powered via DC adapter with USB-C, which is included in the box, or PoE, allowing for long-distance setup of up to 100 meters with single-cable connectivity for video, audio, power, and tally, alongside NDI. Ideal for a broad range of broadcast and professional AV applications, the Zowietek 4K POV is an affordable, high-performance, and compact camera solution at an affordable price. So what makes this camera such a great option for both pros and enthusiasts? Well, let's talk about the benefits that really set it apart from the competition. Affordable price point. The Zowietek camera offers exceptional value for money. It costs roughly less than half the price of comparable cameras from other brands, yet it packs in professional-grade features that you'd expect to find in much more expensive systems. If you're on a budget, but need quality video production tools, this is a camera to seriously consider. Multiple control options. You can operate the camera via NDI directly from integration into your production software, like vMix, OBS, or Wirecast. Last but not least, Zowietek provides a feature-rich web interface, which can be used on computers as well as on tablets or mobile phones. Even though the focus and zoom settings have to be adjusted manually, you can still zoom in with the integrated digital zoom. Connecting the camera via NDI to your computer, it can act as a high-quality webcam in applications like Skype or Teams. Now, no product is perfect, And while this camera offers tons of advantages, there is one downside worth mentioning. The manual focus adjustment on the optional 5 to 50 millimeter lens is a matter of less than 1 millimeter dialing on the focus wheel. It definitely needs some patience to set the focus right, but once you got a feeling for it, it isn't a problem any longer. We also took the Zowietek 4K POV out for a test run in the garden, and here's what we found. Zoom range. I tested the zoom range, and honestly, it's pretty impressive. No matter if close up or far away, you will always be able to set the frame up to your liking. Color correction and white balance. We also tried out the white balance, both automatic and manual. The manual controls give you the ability to adjust the RGB balance using sliders or choose from preset color temperatures and gamma modes. We tested this for a more creative look and found that the adjustments allowed us to dial in the exact tone we wanted. Exposure control. The exposure modes were also very flexible, with options like AE lock, manual exposure, and EV correction, which allowed us to fine-tune the results, and the exposure range gave us great control over the image in varying light conditions. To sum up, the Zowietek 4K POV NDI HX3 is a fantastic value camera for anyone looking for a professional-grade solution at an affordable price. The image quality is impressive for the price, and with its versatility, NDI support, and network control, it's a camera that's well suited for both professional broadcasts and content creators who want that extra level of control. While the manual adjustments need a bit of practice, the overall value for the features you get is unbeatable. For those looking for a low-cost, high-quality POV camera, the Zowietek 4K is a no-brainer. It's one of the best options in its price range, offering a level of customization and performance you just don't see in this price bracket. If you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can check out the camera for yourself. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy shooting.